Hemen 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 söndür. Hemen 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 söndür. Ateşin çıktı. Söndür 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 söndür.
You know what? I need? I need orange soda.
You don't need that. You need sleep.
No, I don't need sleep. I haven't been able to sleep. I can't sleep.
Then try harder.
No. Oh, mine was the same.
Caroline's in the
The
way.
lens in the way.
Sleep.
No.
No, this is how you make her sleepy. Do like that.
So Doug.
Like suffocator. Okay, she's
She
asleep.
dies.
He's sleeping now.
She's sleeping forever, ever and ever.
It's terrible.
It's funny.
No.
Cam. What is retainer? He told his retainer would go.
That's really gross. Redfin has a pillow. Redfin.
Okay, hold on. I'm getting my pillow. It won't come out of my bag. Come on. Get out of my... Okay, it's in there. It's a Fenerbahce pillow.
Ew, that's
Ew,
disgusting.
you like Besiktas. Ew, you're wearing a Besiktas sweater right now. Ew. What are you doing, Cam?
Is it the thingy?
What thingy?
Why does it smell like icy hot?
I don't know. Cam, where'd your hat go?
What?
Okay, here.
No, that bag is breakable. You gotta be careful with that bag.
Throw something at Cam.
Act 1.
His arms.
Act 2.
Wait. Come up.
Bay Turhal Özdal danışmaya müracaatınız rica olur. Bay Turhal Özdal lütfen.
It'll wake him up. I think you ejected the pillow.
We're going again. Wake up, Ken. Wake up.
Ah, I got the hat.
This is Anthony's pillow.
Okay.
I don't know how it got near here.
Okay. He's going back to sleep.
I think he's. Are you looking for your hat? I think he's looking for his hat.
Throw the hat at him. He's moved it. Oh, he's approaching. The hat's over there. Don't get it. He just collapses. But then we're going to the other gate. Are we gonna go to the other gate?
I don't know.
Alright. We're watching Cam fall asleep.
I'm gonna pull you here.
Ow, that's my hair.
Your hair smells like Garnier Fructiques.
Because I used that. Why are you coming? You want the pillow?
Do you